when we started down the road of looking for a camera system that takes a better quality picture, I started looking at something that takes, you know, a 360 type picture. And so we looked at one system before we looked at OSCR, and it was literally 10 times the cost of what OSCR was offering. And so that was, you know, every agency got a budget. So that automatically was just out the window. And so we found OSCR, real good price, but being first in the state, that was an even better price. The simplicity of it also really helps because, you know, a few clicks and you got the camera set up. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you can have it ready to go take a good quality picture. Being able to move it throughout the crime scene, room to room, tell the story.